about love. Choose between two, which is worth more. Is it a lover who does not waver toward you, nor suffer another lover, yet does not make it seem that he loves you or takes delight in you? Or another who loves you just as much, and has one or two other lovers, and does as many pleasures for you as a true lady should do? You have put me in error, for you have given me too difficult a choice. For each has trouble and weariness, but I will take the better one. I tell you I don't value much a lady where I have companions, even if she makes a semblance of love to me. I would rather she keep it secret, she who has no whorish heart, thinking to betray me with fair pleasures. You have little worth if you are happy with such a love, that since a lady makes you collar and leash, you hold that as dishonor. I tell you, even if the king were her father, her behavior is neither honorable nor good for you. Better is she who fears you and flatters you and shows you a loving semblance, even if she then goes seeking elsewhere when you are not in her dwelling. You speak foolishly, for never since a lady betrayed her lover was her worth true and faithful, nor can a deceptive semblance for anything repair the shame she does at all times. But of a good worthy lady I know that her love is more honored, even if she makes no semblance of loving me. It doesn't matter as long as she loves me without a fickle heart. Foolish givers turn good lovers into savages, and it seems evil to them that giving does not taste good to them. So how can a lady do well who shows me a proud semblance? Better to suffer the beautiful deceit, for this is already a treacherous good that happens to many, and they suffer it. I think you are a brother to it. One such had me as a servant who never drew a companion to me. Now it seems she throws herself to another, so I leave her and turn elsewhere. But you who are a true lover, I think that if with these reasons you think to cover the harm this way, and if you lose the songs this way because another shares your pain, I don't know why you are a singer. I know how to make right from wrong, so this reasoning pleases me. And if I convince you of it, may you have great joy, for you suffer the companions. But I love one who makes me a semblance of love, and I have no brother there. Tostemps, may you always be a marker. Let this case be judged. I wanted to go to Lady Gossamer, and if I love with companions, let me not fear anger because of it, for I believe she will be a true judge. True judge.